The CRV Remote Start Kit allows you to start your vehicle remotely, providing comfort in extreme weather by warming it up in cold conditions or cooling it down in heat. Installation is made incredibly simple with the unique StartX T-harness, eliminating the need for any wire splicing or cutting, as it directly connects to the factory connectors. This kit is proudly designed and engineered in North America by StartX, a leading company in plug-and-play remote start technology, offering excellent support from their USA-based team. The kit is specifically compatible with Honda CR-V models from 2007 to 2011, ensuring a perfect fit for these vehicles. A convenient feature of this kit is the ability to start your vehicle by pressing the lock button 3 times on your existing factory remote, maintaining the same operational distance. Overall, the CR-V Remote Start Kit provides a reliable and user-friendly solution for enhancing comfort and convenience in your vehicle.